If you don't know how to appropriately search for an attorney, you could literally be just wasting your time. And you might as well burn your marketing budget in a dumpster. So why do most legal nurses fail before they even start? Well, studies show that 78% of new legal nurse consultants end up quitting within just 6 months because they have poor marketing and poor lead generation. Now, I'm here in Myrtle Beach, that's why I'm dressed like this, but I thought this was important for you guys to know. And here's the thing, no matter how good your marketing is, it's worthless if you're targeting the wrong prospects, like attorneys who don't even handle any sort of medical case or even cases that have medical aspects, or practitioners who simply can't afford us or maybe just aren't interested in actually improving quality. And yes, those exist. Some of the attorneys out there don't care so much about quality as quantity, or lawyers who already have multiple LNCs on staff or on speed dial. And this isn't just frustrating, it can literally be career ending, but it's 100% avoidable if you know how to avoid it. So I'm going to show you a few ways to find qualified attorney leads that actually work. Number 1, laser targeted Google searches. So stop wasting your clicks on Google searches that don't work. Putting things like attorneys in Dallas. That's going to bring up a lot of attorneys that may not actually be in the market that you're looking to serve. So if you're looking to serve medical malpractice attorneys, then target that, medical malpractice attorneys in, and use a targeted town or a suburb, an outlying area of a city. If you just say Dallas, you're going to get all the same ones everyone else is getting. But if you use very specific small geographic areas outside of these big cities, you can find attorneys that maybe others are missing. And pro tip, be as specific as possible. Narrow the search area to a particular small region and find attorneys that other legal nurse consultants never have. Number 2, LinkedIn and sales tools. And this is sort of a secret weapon because there's tools out there like Apollo.io or Sales Navigator that will let you filter attorneys by practice area. You can look for verdict history or even firm revenue to really find the type of firm that you're looking for and let them do all the work for you. They will also give you direct email formats. Often you can find one that's correct, and that can lead you to knowing how the firm forms its standard email naming. And also you get phone numbers and other info using these types of tools. Number 3 is that referral domino effect. This is your golden ticket to truly taking off. One happy attorney client can lead to 5, maybe 7 referrals if you over-deliver on your first case and every case thereafter, and maybe even send that first case as a rapid turnaround free of charge as sort of a surprise thank you to the attorney. And strategically ask, hey, who else in your network needs this level of detail? After they tell you do an amazing job, they probably want their friends to also have that sort of advantage that you're giving them. And then you can even offer a finder's fee to the attorney. And yeah, that's going to pay for itself. So if you're paying the attorney a certain percentage, like 3-5% of whatever that first case is worth, that person that referred them, that's going to pay for itself. Or maybe you kick them a couple $100 or whatever, it's up to you. But as a way of saying thank you, that can also be helpful. Number 4, networking events, but only certain ones. You can skip the generic business mixers because they don't typically lead you to the type of attorneys you're looking to land. Instead, maybe attend CLE, which is continuing legal education seminars on medical cases. It's the same sort of thing they have to get continuing education credit, same way that a lot of us nurses do. And by going to those seminars, you can meet a lot of qualified attorneys. You can also volunteer at bar associations, at medical legal committees. You can also find attorney-specific networking events and find a way to plug yourself in. And a pro move, once you're there, don't talk about yourself at these events. Not until you're asked. Focus instead on the attorney. And not just their work, their life. Finding attorneys is only 20% of the battle though. At Catalyst, we're going to give you the exact search templates we use. We're going to give you specific templates for email marketing. We're going to give you call scripts that work, word for word, what to say. And we're going to teach you to create a work product that truly wows your attorneys so they keep coming back for more. So here's your next move. Number 1, watch our free introductory training. Then book a roadmap call with our team. And third, join nurses who are changing their lives through legal nurse consulting. Click below and take your first step now.